Hi, I'm Jyoti, this is Celia. We're the Savvy Space. We are professional home organisers and we help people transform their spaces.
So today, in honor of Clean Out Your Refrigerator Day, we're going to show you how to transform your refrigerator by cleaning it out and organizing it using one of our all-time favorite products, Zaflora. This is something that we use to pretty much prep and clean every product for all our projects. So let's get started. Well, hopefully you found that helpful. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to check us out on Instagram at The Savvy Space for more tips and tricks for organizing your house.